One fascinating and sustainable practice gaining popularity is regrowing vegetables from kitchen scraps. Instead of discarding certain vegetable parts, you can harness their regenerative potential to cultivate a fresh supply at home. This not only reduces kitchen waste but also promotes self-sufficiency. Here, we delve into the top 10 vegetables that can regrow from kitchen scraps, offering a practical and environmentally friendly way to enjoy a continuous harvest right from your kitchen. Green onions. Green onions, also known as scallions, are among the easiest vegetables to regrow. Save the white roots with a bit of the green stalk attached, place them in water, and watch as new shoots emerge. Once they've grown sufficiently, transplant them into soil for a continual harvest. Celery. Celery, often an essential ingredient in the kitchen, can be regrown from its base. Save the bottom part with the root, place it in water, and observe the growth of new leaves. Once ready, transfer it to soil, and you'll have a perpetual source of fresh celery. Lettuce. Lettuce hearts, the bottom part of a lettuce head, can be used to regrow a new plant. Submerge the bottom in water until new leaves sprout, and then transplant it into soil. Enjoy a sustainable supply of crisp lettuce leaves for your salads. Carrots. Carrot tops can be utilized for regrowth. Place the carrot tops in a dish with water, and within a few days, you'll notice new green shoots emerging. While these won't regrow into full-sized carrots, they provide flavorful and nutritious greens that can be used in salads and other dishes. Garlic. Individual garlic cloves can be regrown with ease. Plant a single clove in soil, ensuring the pointed end faces upward. As it grows, you'll witness the development of a new garlic bulb. This simple process allows you to maintain a continuous supply of fresh garlic in your kitchen. Potatoes. Potato scraps, specifically the eyes or small sections with sprouts, can be planted to regrow potatoes. Allow the sprouts to reach a substantial length before planting them in soil. With time, you'll have a new batch of homegrown potatoes. Ginger. Ginger can be regrown from a small piece with buds or eyes. Plant the ginger piece in soil, keep it moist, and witness the growth of new shoots. With patience, you'll have a flourishing ginger plant. Bell peppers. Save the seeds from bell peppers and plant them in soil to regrow your own bell pepper plants. With proper care, these seeds will yield fresh bell peppers, providing a continuous supply for your culinary endeavors. Tomatoes. Tomato seeds can be collected from ripe tomatoes and planted in soil to regrow tomato plants. With sufficient sunlight and water, you can enjoy a perpetual harvest of juicy tomatoes right from your kitchen. Basil. Basil stems with a few leaves can be placed in water until roots develop. Once rooted, transfer the stems to soil for a constant supply of fresh basil. This aromatic herb is perfect for enhancing the flavor of various dishes. Conclusion. Incorporating regrown vegetables into your culinary routine not only reduces food waste but also connects you with the natural cycle of growth. The top 10 vegetables mentioned here showcase the simplicity and effectiveness of regrowing from kitchen scraps, empowering you to cultivate a continuous supply of fresh produce right at home. Hope you liked this video. Share this video with all friends and don't forget to subscribe Discover Agriculture channel. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.